Hello, everybody. Dave Neal here, stand-up comic and host of The Dave Neal Show. We've got a Johnny Depp video for you guys reacting to evidence that Amber Heard was cheating. Now, whether or not they actually cheated or it's just video of the James Franco in the elevator, the point of this evidence is that Amber Heard kind of claimed that Johnny Depp was just jealous. And Johnny Depp's camp says, well, is it jealousy if he had proof that this was happening? So we've got right here, if you check that out, that is the elevator for Johnny Depp's penthouse, which of course Amber Heard was living at. They were married. He had like 4 different penthouses. Isn't it nice? I'm just happy to have 2 different bedrooms, one of which is my Power Recap studio. So that's James Franco. We'll play the clip for you guys of Johnny Depp watching. You can see the monitor. You can see like Johnny Depp put his glasses down and start looking at it. Was this the first time Johnny Depp saw the evidence of Amber cheating? I don't think so, but it could have been. We're not really sure. So do me a favor, follow me on Instagram at DNeals. I'm going to have plenty of content over on my Instagram, stand-up show updates and things like that. My stand-up show, Dave Neal and Friends, is taking place this Thursday in Burbank. If you want to come laugh, tickets are cheap. It's going to be a fun time, small, intimate crowd. Lots of other content happening out there. So we'll get into this story right now. And like I said, we have no content, no updates on the trial, no live trial this week. They're taking the week off, which could be a good chance for Johnny Depp's side to prepare to cross-examine Amber. That hasn't happened yet. They've let her do a lot of talking. They were minimal on their objections, and we'll have to see how that all plays out. All right, here's Johnny Depp reacting to evidence of Amber cheating on him with James Franco. He's looking at the monitor right now.
Do you recognize the document that's in front of you?
Yes.
They're going to show the document.
And what I would like to do, what is it?
It's a top sheet of a background information questionnaire that I use to help guide the evaluation.
So this is the doctor evaluating Amber Heard and writing down all the notes.
Now, who filled it out?
I filled it out.
Whose form is it?
My form.
All right. I'm going to move just the first page into evidence.
Look, he's laughing.
Because we're going to talk about other portions of it later. All right. So this is the bottom corner, your notes. And it's under the section of your notes that's entitled Intimate Relationships.
Correct.
And one of the notes here on the right, it says JF, that's James Franco, right?
Correct.
Got close but really wanted to be with Johnny.
Well, it says JF friends. They were friends.
All right. Said friends, but you put him under intimate relationships.
So the lawyer's trying to pinpoint whether or not there was proof that James Franco was more than friends with Amber Heard before Johnny Depp broke up with her.
Well, there's a line there because I was asking specifically about other things that were allegations in this matter.
There's a line there because you did not believe that they should go under intimate relationships, but it's on your form?
She wasn't telling me that this was an intimate relationship. I queried as to what's going on with James Franco because that was something that was raised in this case.
That makes sense.
And there's a note for December 2015.
When they became more friends, more friendly.
Right. And that was a period of time in which Ms. Heard was married to Mr. Depp, correct?
Correct.
So she became close with Mr. Franco in December 2015.
Did they bang?
And at least you put it under intimate relationships.
With a line differentiating another part of this document.
Okay. Did you provide another header? Like a header that says friends?
No.
No.
It's so funny seeing like the scrutiny that's happening here because this, like, did this person think that they were going to be under oath talking about their clinical notes? No, but they're like, I put a bar up. They're not. Is it an intimate relationship? I don't know. It's something's going on. We don't have the smoking gun.
Well, let's look at the next.
Smoking underwear.
The next one says, I think it says Elon.
Look at these guys laughing.
Correct.
It's Elon Musk, right?
Correct.
All right. May 2016.
Correct.
Met Ball.
Correct.
That's a big fancy party in New York, right?
Yes, it is.
All right. And she says she dated him after Johnny.
Correct.
She met Elon Musk in May 2016 When did she file the TRO?
So we're going to share with you guys, I'm going to play the rest of this clip, and then I'm going to share with you guys these text messages by Rocket Man, which is Johnny Depp. He's Rocket Man. I'm sorry. Elon Musk is Rocket Man, and AH is Amber Heard, where she kind of ghosted on him. So we'll go back to that in a second here. But let's finish this clip.
The last answer was May 21st. I believe it was May 26th, 27th.
By the way, is More Friends? That should be like a dating app. Like, you don't want friends with benefits. You just want more friends. You know. And is it intimate? Is it not? I don't know. I don't think that's an option you can click off on Facebook.
I'm correct.
When did she start dating Elon Musk?
Sometime after that.
All right. Yeah. Sometime after the TRO?
I believe so, yes.
Okay.
Boy, this camera guy's got the greatest job in the world.
At the ECB between May 21 and May 27?
Did James Franco spend the night with her?
I recall, again, it would be helpful to have my notes so I can tell you exactly but I do recall that she did see him at some point. I do not know if he spent the night.
Do you know if Elon Musk spent the night during that period?
I don't know.
All right, so here's the video. Here's the video of James Franco entering the elevator. She chooses PH for those of us that aren't rich. That means penthouse, where Johnny Depp has three different penthouses up there. So that's James Franco wearing. He looks like a Postmates deliveryman, but that's him right there. They look wasted, don't they? They're kind of just like, I don't know what they're doing, tired. What's going on there? But if Amber's still married to Johnny, it's like, look, I don't care if they're over there reading lines or playing Parcheesi. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look good, right, folks? It's like, all right, I don't know about you guys. I'm a progressive. I'm all about equality, but I don't know if I would want my lady having James Franco over at midnight. You know what I mean? You can watch Pineapple Express on your own time. Johnny Depp's lawyer exposed Amber Heard in Elon Musk's private texts. So here's another quick clip. This is actually from almost 2 years ago. So these text messages have been out there. I'm going to share what this YouTuber Flickset put together, and then we will kind of break it down.
SpaceX billionaire Elon Musk several days before she filed for divorce from Johnny Depp, and it's clear from the exchange the SpaceX boss is hoping to be more than just friends, texting the actress, "I really like you."
More friends.
Transcript of the text messages turned over in the Aquaman star's ongoing lawsuit with Depp was just tweeted publicly by the Pirates of the Caribbean star's lawyer Adam Waldman. In this video, we're going to talk about how Amber Heard and Elon Musk's private texts have been exposed by Johnny Depp's lawyer. But before we discuss more about that, please make sure you've pressed that red subscribe button along with the tiny bell icon.
We'll go to the 150 mark here.
Legal team has previously accused Heard and Musk in legal papers of beginning an affair as early as March of 2015. In a legal filing in 2019, Depp's lawyers claimed that Heard, 34, had seen Elon Musk late at night.
Oh, so now we have Elon Musk in the... Oh, she must have known... cute outfit, by the way. She must have known that there's surveillance footage, right?
Depp's penthouse while he was out of the country. A judge formally ended Depp and Heard's marriage in January of 2017. The pair had met on the set of the 2011 comedy The Rum Diary and married in Los Angeles in 2015. Elon Musk and Amber Heard subsequently made their relationship public in April of 2017, but they announced they had separated 4 months later.
So they had separated. Let's just go to the tweets, the messages here. Here's Amber Heard. This is I guess before they separated. For such a smart man, I would think you wouldn't need to investigate any further than your last text to me before such radio silence commenced. So I wish we could see these previous texts, but that's just Amber Heard saying, hey, idiot, why don't you take the hint? And then he responds, well, I'm just glad you're okay. This is Elon Musk. You talked about Johnny being violent in the past and still having keys to the apartment, so I thought something might have happened. She said, it did, but that's irrelevant. I had the locks changed. Legal divorce filing tomorrow. Restraining order, all that. He says, WTF, mate? But you're okay, right? Is there anything I can do? I'm happy to engage 24/7 security for you if you'd like. It would be utterly confidential. She says, all that is irrelevant to why I stopped talking to you. He said, I know, and the offer would stand even if you never wanted to see me again. Anyway, sorry for being an idiot. The radio silence hurt a lot. It only matters because I really like you. She said, yeah, hence why I was so affected by your text the other night. Look, some things are hard to text. I'm here if you want to ring. He said, will do. And that's all the information we have. So why she ended up ghosting on him, we don't know, but it's still pretty interesting to see these people in this sort of light. Now, why isn't Elon Musk going to testify in the trial? Elon Musk and James Franco will not be testifying. Elon Musk won't testify at Amber Heard trial after court hears she never loved him. So the answer to the question of why he won't be testifying is that Virginia law rules that non-residents of the state cannot be compelled to participate in a court case against their will, and sources have apparently disclosed to The Independent that neither will appear. Now, there's no world in which Elon Musk needs this. He just bought Twitter. He's trying to send rockets to Mars and satellites to Ukraine. I mean, look, the guy doesn't need this. This is like, talk about being careful who you bang. That's one of our old school clips we have here. Some sage advice to all of you guys.
Be careful who you bang.
And sure enough, Franco and Elon, they dipped the pen into the company ink here. Well, I guess that's not, that doesn't actually make too much sense, but you get the point. So let's get rid of those texts. That's a different story. We got a lot of tabs opened here. So I've got several other clips I want to play for you guys. It's pretty gnarly, to be quite honest. But we're gonna play some rough conversations that are unearthed from Johnny Depp and Amber Heard in Australia. But first, just have a listen to these TikToks going around. This is a TikTok going around just showing how much fun Johnny Depp's side is having when the other side makes mistakes. Now, to the layman like me and you and people that don't study law, it's it can be pretty pretentious, like knowing all the ins and outs of the legal world. But seeing the lawyers react to gaffes that happen, it's kind of fun to watch Johnny react.
May I refresh my recollection with my notes, Your Honor?
She's allowed to
For the
consult her
dates,
notes.
if you'd like me to tell the dates.
If she's asking me a question, I'm not gonna answer.
You're right, Your Honor. Yes.
May I?
Yes, you may.
Look at his lawyer. He
consult
goes,
your
"What
notes,
the hell?"
Objection, Your Honor.
Now the lawyer goes, this is when they turn the audio off. She goes, and that's their first witness. So Johnny Depp's lawyer goes, and that's their first witness. Like, that's like their opening. That's the best they're going to start with. Like, they're fumbling through with this witness. This is the moment where Johnny Depp's lawyers sort of understand, oh, I think we've over-prepared and we have this. Have a watch right now of the lawyers one more time. She goes, and that's their first witness. Is that what she actually said? I have no idea, but he goes, oh God. So there's just these moments where Johnny Depp had to turn around laughing. Now, this is, I don't know if this evidence is in this trial here, but this is Amber Heard and Johnny Depp fighting. I'm just going to play the whole thing. It's pretty rough, but it just kind of paints a picture of people were wondering, like, why would Amber stay with Johnny if she was afraid of him, if he had done all these things to her? And this kind of paints more of the story of how it was just mutual toxicity. Have a listen.
So, let's talk about how much you fucking helped me, mister. I got it all figured out because I didn't do stupid movies ever. I didn't ever make a mistake. I did perfect all the time. Oh, no! At least you didn't do a movie where you were like,
get out, man. You're belligerent.
yeah, you got it all figured out.
You're belligerent,
You
man.
didn't do Magic Mike. You fucking got it all.
They both sound wasted.
Man, you just did TV shows and fucking whatever movies. You did it all right, Sensei. Fucking master of fucking cinema.
Sensei.
God.
Master of cinema.
Perfect.
No, I did what you did, but I get it.
Can you imagine teasing Johnny Depp and saying master of cinema? I mean, yeah, I'd be like, yeah, he's actually up there. He's pretty well respected as far as an actor goes.
That shit. Thanks for helping me with my thing that you got me in trouble with. Thanks. Let me take the rap for that. And then not help me.
Got you in trouble
yeah,
with?
thanks, big man. Big man.
What was
big
it?
Big fucking man.
What did I get you in trouble with?
Big man.
You don't even know.
Our dogs that you brought into the country with me for your movie on your fucking plane, and then you let your fucking wife take all the shit for it. Thanks.
So what they're referencing here is this. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard gave an apology for not declaring their dogs in Australia. They almost lost their dogs because, Australia is an island and they're way more sort of strict with what animals and things come in and out of their country. So here's the apology that they had to make. This was a big story back, if you guys remember, that they tried to sneak their dogs in.
Australia is a wonderful island with a treasure trove of unique plants, animals, and people.
It has to be protected.
Australia is free of many pests and diseases that are commonplace around the world. That is why Australia has to have such strong biosecurity laws.
This is like the moment where they come back together. The good old days. Look, they're lying on the same side.
And Australians are just as unique, both warm and direct.
So there they are. One more time.
Australia is a wonderful island with a treasure trove of unique plants.
So, do they have one of their assistants holding up the cue card? How did that work? Okay. Anyway, we're working on finishing this here. So that's what they're referencing with Amber saying that Johnny kind of made her take all the blame for that.
Oh, just like the home wrecker shit that you never fucking rectified.
Get out of my fucking life.
You're a coward. You're a fucking piece of shit.
Don't.
And you fucking go suck my fucking dick like everyone else who fucking sucks.
She tells Johnny to S her effing D.
Go fucking suck my dick. You fucking cowardless ball.
There's something I love about when a woman tells a man to S her D. There's just something like primally like, like it's not like this is actually good for equality, right? This isn't like one gender gets to tell the other to S their D. It's like, no, any gender can tell any other gender to S their D. Because D is really not a physical thing in this metaphor. It's really like an aura. Like, you know what? S my D. Go for it.
Piece of shit.
I want nothing to do with
I don't want anything to fucking do with you. You don't want fucking something to do with you. You think I want that fucking old ass fucking piece of shit? Fuck you. You're a fucking joke, man. And you're an embarrassment that I even came here and wasted my time trying to get you back.
Good. Good deal with
So she says she came to Australia to get him back.
that. Watch that wide load, bro.
What do you want to say?
There's nothing more insulting than what Amber's doing. Oh, poor little guy. S my D.
I was thinking that poor little Amber. All she wanted.
Oh, now he's doing it too. Oh, this is bad. Oh, we're all getting triggered here. This is bad. Oh, you don't want to be that way? Oh, you don't want to be that way? Why don't you S my D? Why don't you S my D?
To do.
No, I want to hear what.
Hey, what was the posters on your wall when you were a kid?
Rose.
So Johnny says, what were the posters on the wall as a kid? Because apparently Amber's mom had said that Amber had posters of Johnny Depp, but Amber says she never watched Johnny Depp movies.
The fucking Riveter. What were yours? Rosie's Riveter too? Or you want to know because you're interested in me?
Well, I think Mom had some different ideas of what you have.
Ask her. Call her. Call her. Let's see what she says. I want to know.
I've spoken to her.
Ask her. Ask her. Call her right now.
Now, Johnny's trying to bring Amber's mom in this. This is not how you win a fight. You don't win a fight by bringing in the other person's mom. Can we get Amber's mom to testify?
No, I think you should go. She's up.
She's up. All right, you can metaphorically suck my mom's D. So anyway, that's just an example of how toxic it really was. And it's like, I mean, these clips don't provide any proof of whether what Amber claims happened. It just goes to show, like, we're essentially piecing together a long timeline of toxicity. And the question being, when did Amber hook up with these other guys? Because if she's hooking up with them, if she's cheating, then we have character issues here that can be used in Johnny's defense. And but at the same time, the text messages that show where did I go? I lost them. That show Elon Musk and Amber Heard, that shows that Amber Heard was telling Elon Musk that Johnny had been violent to her. So that actually works in Amber's favor to say, hey, I didn't just make this up one day. I was saying this years ago. Whether or not that will end up helping Amber Heard is to be seen. Of course, this whole week, Johnny Depp's lawyers are going to be preparing probably very specific questions for Amber Heard. Did I say that right? Johnny Depp's lawyers will be preparing their cross-examination for Amber Heard, and we'll get to that, I guess, starting maybe a week from today, next week. There'll be 2 weeks of the trial, and then it's just going to end like that. We're just going to figure out who wins, who loses. I'd love to know what you guys think after checking this content out. Let me know. We'll have more of these clips coming your way all week long as we sort of dissect all of this and untangle these Christmas lights here. Follow me on Instagram at DNeals if you guys want to check out my stand-up show, or you can go to patreon.com/Dave Neal if you want behind-the-scenes membership-only content. We'll have more information, more videos coming your way, so just hang out, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye, everybody.